This video will overview the procedure to plug a hole in a car tire. We will get from a slow leaking tire that will not hold air to a plugged tire that is keeping the correct air pressure. Note, this video is a demonstration of procedure only, not an endorsement of tire plugs for every repair situation. Depending on the type of tire damage and the use of the tire, replacement and patching from the interior should be carefully considered. The first step is to follow safety measures, including but not limited to chalking the wheels and wearing personal protective equipment. It is helpful to use chalk to identify the exact work area. It is possible to plug a tire without removing it from the vehicle or even removing all the air pressure. However, this carries risks of the nail or screw forcefully ejecting out of the tire and poses risk of injury. This can be mitigated by using tools such as pliers to prevent such an outcome and wearing a face shield or goggles, as well as work gloves. Next, it is important to debride the wound to the car tire. This is accomplished by vigorously moving the debride tool through the area of the tire that is damaged. This procedure requires considerable force. Next, I prepared the tire plug, and I also applied extra rubber cement to ensure a good seal. The next step is to insert the tire plug. Do not insert the entire plug through the hole in the tire. Be sure to quickly remove the tool in a single brisk motion. The tire plug will remain in place. Next, evaluate the tire pressure to ensure that the plug is holding air pressure. If yes, then inflate the tire to the correct air pressure and continue to evaluate as appropriate. Perfect. 33. Excess plug material should be trimmed as a final step. Congratulations, we did it! If you found this video helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to this channel. Thank you for watching.